Hey, what's up everybody? It's your boy MKBHD here to break down how to build awesome full-stack apps. We're talking next-level stuff. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, this guide is for you. We're gonna dive deep into the world of full-stack development, covering everything you need to know to create applications that not only work well, but also look amazing. Buckle up, it's about to get techie. We're going to explore the ins and outs of coding, from the back end to the front end, and everything in between. This isn't just about writing code, it's about understanding the principles that make an app truly great. This tutorial is your guide to crafting amazing applications. We'll walk through each step of the process from setting up your development environment to deploying your app to the web. By the end of this, you'll have a solid foundation to build upon and the confidence to tackle any project. We'll use a bunch of cool technologies like building blocks. Each technology we cover will add a new layer of functionality and sophistication to your app. Think of it like assembling a high-tech puzzle, where each piece is crucial to the final product. Get ready to learn about Node.js, Postgres, ReactJS, and D3.js. These are some of the most powerful tools in a developer's toolkit, and mastering them will open up a world of possibilities for your projects. Node.js is like the engine of our app, making it run smoothly. It's a powerful runtime that allows you to build scalable network applications. We'll cover how to set up a Node.js server, handle requests, and manage data flow. Postgres is our super organized data storage. Think of it like a giant digital warehouse. We'll dive into database design, querying, and optimization techniques to ensure your data is stored efficiently and can be accessed quickly. React.js is the artist, making our app look sleek and modern. It's a powerful library for building user interfaces, and we'll explore how to create dynamic, responsive components that provide a seamless user experience. And D3.js, that's the data visualization guru, turning numbers into stunning visuals. We'll learn how to create interactive charts and graphs that make complex data easy to understand and visually appealing. Let's get this show on the road. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have the skills and knowledge to build your own full-stack applications from scratch. So grab your keyboard, fire up your favorite code editor, and let's start building something awesome together. First things first, we need a place to build all this cool stuff. Imagine it as our very own digital sandbox where creativity meets functionality. Think of it as our coding playground, a space where we can experiment, learn, and create amazing applications. We'll start by installing Node.js. Node.js is a powerful JavaScript runtime built on Chrome's V8 engine, and it's essential for running our server-side code. This is super easy. Just download it from the official website and follow the instructions. The installation process is straightforward, and you'll be up and running in no time. Next up, we need Postgres. Postgres, or PostgreSQL, is a powerful, open-source object relational database system. This is our database where we'll keep all our app's data neat and tidy. It's like the organized filing cabinet for all the information our app will handle. Download and install pgadmin too. pgadmin is a management tool for PostgreSQL, making it easier to interact with our database. It's like a control panel for our database, providing a user-friendly interface to manage and query our data. Now let's get our code editor ready. A good code editor is crucial for efficient coding. We'll be using VS Code, a favorite among developers. VS Code, or Visual Studio Code, is a free, open-source editor developed by Microsoft. It's free, powerful, and makes writing code a breeze. With features like IntelliSense, debugging, and Git integration, it streamlines the development process. Last but not least, let's create a new React.js project. React.js is a popular JavaScript library for building user interfaces, particularly single-page applications. React will make building the front end of our app, the part users see, a piece of cake. Its component-based architecture allows for reusable code, making development faster and more efficient. Alright, setup is done. Time to dive into the exciting stuff. With our environment set up, we're ready to start coding and bring our ideas to life. Let's get started on this incredible journey of development and innovation. Node.js is the backbone of our application. It's the runtime environment that allows us to execute JavaScript code server-side, making it possible to build scalable network applications with ease. It handles all the behind-the-scenes work, from managing server requests to handling data processing. Node.js is designed to be lightweight and efficient. perfect for real-time applications that require a lot of input-output operations. Time to bring our app to life. This is where the magic happens. We start by setting up our development environment and initializing our project. Start by creating a new Node.js project. Open your terminal or command prompt and type a few simple commands to get started. This will set up the basic structure of your project. Just open your terminal or command prompt and type a few simple commands. For instance, you can use npm init to create a package.json file, which will keep track of your project's dependencies and scripts. We'll be using express.js, a powerful framework for Node.js. Express simplifies the process of building web applications and APIs, providing a robust set of features for web and mobile applications. It makes building web applications super efficient. With Express, you can handle routing, middleware, and server-side logic with minimal code, allowing you to focus on the core functionality of your app. Think of it as a set of tools and shortcuts. Express.js provides a suite of built-in functions and middleware that streamline the development process, making it easier to build robust and scalable applications. Let's set up our Express server. This involves writing some initial code to create a server instance and define how it will handle incoming requests. This is what will handle requests from the front end of our app. The server will listen for incoming requests, process them, and send back the appropriate responses. Imagine it as a waiter, taking orders and delivering food. Just like a waiter takes orders from customers and brings them their meals, our server takes requests from users and returns the data or services they need. We'll write some code to tell our server what to do. This includes defining routes, handling different types of requests, and ensuring that our server can respond appropriately to each one. By the end of this setup, our server will be ready to handle real-world traffic and provide a seamless experience for our users. Data is king, but we need a safe and organized place to keep it. That's where Postgres comes in. It's a powerful database system that's perfect for our app. Using SQL, a special language for databases, we'll create tables and define the structure of our data. Think of it as building shelves and compartments in our digital warehouse. Now comes the cool part: connecting our Node.js server to our Postgres database. We'll use a library to make this process smooth. Once connected, our server can easily read and write data to the database. Section 5. Express.js - your app's highway system. Remember Express.js, our server framework? It's time to define routes, the paths within our app. These routes determine what happens when a user visits a specific URL. For instance, we can create a route for the home page, another for a user's profile, and so on. Each route will have specific code to handle the request and send back the appropriate response. We'll use HTTP methods like get, post, put, and delete to interact with our data. Get fetches data, post sends new data, put updates existing data, and delete, deletes data. Section 6. React.js - making your app look cool. Now for the fun part, making our app visually appealing with React.js. React allows us to build reusable components like building blocks for our user interface. We'll create components for our header, navigation bar, content area, and more. Each component will have its own logic and styling, making our code organized and efficient. React's declarative style makes it super easy to update the user interface based on user interactions. For example, we can easily update the content of a shopping cart as the user adds or removes items. Section 7 D3.js - bringing data to life. D3.js is our secret weapon for creating stunning data visualizations. It allows us to transform raw data into interactive charts, graphs, and maps. We'll learn how to bind data to SVG elements, creating visual representations that update dynamically. D3.js provides a ton of flexibility and control over the look and feel of our visualizations. Imagine creating interactive maps that display real-time data or animated charts that tell a compelling story. With D3.js, the possibilities are endless. Section 8. Connecting the pieces front-end to back-end. Now that we have our front-end and back-end ready, it's time to connect the dots. We'll use API calls to send requests from our React.js front-end to our Node.js back-end. Our front-end will send requests to specific routes on our back-end, which will then interact with the database. The back-end will then send back the requested data to the front-end. This seamless communication between front-end and back-end is what makes our app a true full-stack application. It's like building a bridge between two islands. Section 9. Conclusion. You did it! Congratulations, you've just built a full-stack application. We covered a lot of ground, from setting up our environment to connecting our front-end and back-end. Remember, this is just the beginning. There's a whole universe of possibilities out there. Keep experimenting, keep learning, and keep building awesome stuff. If you're hungry for more, check out the links in the description for additional resources and tutorials. And don't forget to subscribe for more tech breakdowns. Peace out.